look at the glow already.
Hi guys, so today Team M is going to be reacting to your experience with Goodal and I'm super excited to do so. So let's get started. Okay, so the video begins with this lovely person trying out the 3-step routine with Goodal. I love how her skin feels so dewy after the mask sheet, looks pretty cool. The texture feels so lightweight, that's amazing, of the serum. I love how she's taking the time to put the product and let the skin absorb it, so that's pretty great. Okay, so moving on to this person. Wow, I love her confidence. The way she's showing her skin feels amazing. Even though she has acne, but as we all know, acne doesn't define us. So you go, girl. Wow. Okay, so this improvement feels massive. I love how her skin has improved drastically. This gives us so much confidence to be promoting this product. I think her skin looks so much better with its texture and so much even now. I absolutely love it.
This serum is a lifesaver, trust me. I can look at the glow already. Wow, she looks pretty.
Oh no, this is something I really want to see now. Those acne scars, those pigmented areas. Okay, is this something you get from that serum set? Okay, I am like surprised and shocked at the same time. Wow, man, her skin looks so flawless. Like, wow, those scars are like gone in like, wow. Okay, I love it. You know, this serum is my favorite. It's actually my first one and it's about to get finished. I am ordering mine now from Macron.in.
How amazingly this serum has worked for everyone. It's like amazing. I loved it. I loved it. One of my favorite.
So the next review is by That Brown Girl, aka Sonal. So Sonal writes on her Instagram that green tangerine products helped me with my uneven skin and also texture of the skin felt smooth. It's also helped me to lighten my acne marks and I definitely can say this will give amazing results. That is so good to know. It's so nice that people have actually taken out time to show their transformation pics to us as well. And actually we can see that her transformed skin looks a lot better than the one before. So nice.
Okay, a boy is trying out these products, which is very rare, and I think boys should also do skincare. It's really important. The before after images are to die for. The results are really good, I think. Oh, it works on acne as well. I don't have acne, but I've seen that it works on acne. So yeah, thumbs up for the Goodal experience. Thank you guys for your love and support on our campaign.
The serum texture is so beautiful. I really like how good her skin is. She is really confident in her skin.
So thank you guys for sharing your lovely experience with the Goodal campaign. We're so happy to see it. If you still haven't done so, please do so in the comments below. Also, we're going to be coming up with something exciting super soon. So stay tuned at the Macron space to know more. Bye guys!